Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to save Apple Maps route. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open Apple Maps on one of your Apple devices. So it can be an iPad, iPhone, or of course in the MacBook. Then when you do that, you just need to go and open the app, and here as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search maps. We have your profile in the right side of the screen, your favorites where you can go and add some of your favorite locations, and recents. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and save Apple Maps routes. So basically, you need to go and enter your starting point and of course the destination in the search bar, then tap directions. So you can do that by clicking on the search bar and typing a location here. After that, you need to review the route options and select the one you prefer, then start the navigation by tapping go. Once the navigation has started, you can share the route to save it. Tap the share button at the bottom of the screen, then choose to share the route via messages, mail, or other apps. This will allow you to send route information to yourself or others, which you can then access later. Currently, Apple Maps do not have a built-in feature to directly save route within the app itself. So you have to do it this way. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.